Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're tackling a topic that can make or break your travel experience: decluttering your trip. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time adventurer, simplifying your travel plans can reduce stress, save time, and make your journey more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to declutter your next trip and travel smarter, let's dive in. Planning phase: the foundation. The first step in decluttering your trip starts long before you even pack your bags. It's all about the planning phase. 1. Prioritize your destination. Start by choosing a destination that aligns with your interests and travel goals. Instead of trying to see everything, focus on what matters most to you. This reduces decision fatigue and helps you create a more meaningful travel experience. 2. Simplify your itinerary. Overloading your itinerary is a common mistake. Instead of cramming every hour with activities, pick a few must-see sites and leave room for spontaneity. This way, you'll enjoy your trip without feeling rushed. 3. Book direct and central accommodation. Staying in a central location saves time and money on transportation. Look for accommodations that are close to major attractions or public transport hubs. Also, booking directly with the hotel or through trusted platforms can streamline your travel experience. 4. Streamline your transportation. When it comes to getting around, less is more. Instead of juggling multiple modes of transport, stick to one or two reliable options. Consider using public transportation or ride-sharing services to reduce the hassle of driving in unfamiliar places. Packing. Next up, let's talk about packing. It's time to lighten your load. Literally. 1. Embrace the capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is your best friend when it comes to packing light. Choose versatile pieces that you can mix and match, and stick to a neutral color palette. This way, you'll have plenty of outfit options without overpacking. 2. Limit your gadgets. Technology can be a traveler's best friend, but it can also be a burden. Limit your gadgets to the essentials, like your smartphone, a compact camera, and perhaps a lightweight laptop or tablet. This not only saves space, but also reduces the risk of losing expensive tech on the go. 3. Pack multi-use items. Multi-use items are game changers when it comes to efficient packing. These versatile pieces can serve multiple purposes, allowing you to carry fewer items while still being prepared for a variety of situations. 4. Stick to carry-on luggage whenever possible. Opt for carry-on luggage only. Not only does this save you time at the airport, but it also forces you to pack only what you really need. Plus, you'll avoid the dreaded lost luggage scenario. 5. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a traveler's secret weapon for staying organized. They help you compartmentalize your belongings, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. On the road, minimizing the clutter. Once you're on the road, keeping things simple is key to an enjoyable trip. 1. Digitalize important documents. Physical documents can clutter your bag and be easily misplaced. Digitalize your important documents, like your passport, tickets, and itineraries, and store them securely on your phone or cloud service. This way, you'll always have access to them without the bulk. 2. Streamline your daily essentials. Don't carry everything with you all day. Streamline your daily essentials to the bare minimum. A small bag with your wallet, phone, map, and any specific items you need for the day. This makes moving around easier and less stressful. 3. Avoid souvenir overload. It's tempting to buy souvenirs at every stop, but too many can weigh you down. Choose one or two meaningful items per trip, or consider taking photos as your keepsakes. This way, you'll avoid clutter and save space for what really matters. 4. Travel journals and apps. Keeping a travel journal or using travel apps can help you stay organized and remember your trip without the physical clutter. Jot down your experiences, track your expenses, and plan your days using digital tools. 5. Mindful meal planning. Food can be a big part of travel, but it doesn't have to complicate things. Plan your meals around local favorites and eat at places where you can experience the culture without spending too much time or money. Returning home, staying organized. Your trip doesn't truly end when you return home. Maintaining the decluttering mindset you cultivated during your travels can make your return to daily life smoother and more enjoyable. 1. Unpack immediately. Don't let your suitcase linger as a reminder of unfinished business. Unpack as soon as you walk through the door to prevent the buildup of unnecessary clutter. As you unpack, sort your items into categories like laundry, keepsakes, and those that go back into storage for your next adventure. 2. Organize your souvenirs and photos. Instead of letting your souvenirs and photos pile up in a drawer or stay hidden on your phone, take the time to organize them. Whether it's crafting a travel scrapbook, creating a digital photo album, or displaying a few special items, keeping your memories in order allows you to relive your experiences without the clutter. 3. Reflect and plan for future trips. Reflection is key to improving your travel experiences. After unpacking, take a few moments to consider what worked well during your trip and what didn't. This self-assessment will help you streamline future travels even further. This version provides a more detailed explanation of each point, emphasizing the benefits of staying organized and reflecting on your travel experiences. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to decluttering your trip. By simplifying your planning, packing light, and staying organized on the road, you can focus on what truly matters, enjoying your journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks.